Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. Today I will be teaching be in the past simple tense. Now before I start, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's start off with the formation of the past simple tense of be. We first need the subject plus the correct form of be plus the rest of the sentence. For example, I was at work. You were at work. He was at work. She was at work. We were at work. They were at work. It was finished. Please note the past simple of be changes with the subject. For example, the traffic was bad, so we were late for work. Notice here, the traffic is singular, so it takes the form of was for the be. Whereas we is plural, therefore the form of be will be were. The traffic was bad, so we were late for work. Now let's see some examples. We were at a party last night. Downtown was really busy today. Rockers was such a successful band. I was a teacher for 28 years. They were on time for their monthly meeting. It was an excellent deal. Buy one product and get two for free. Now it's activity time. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of be. Choose either was or were. And good luck! So here are the answers. Number 1, I was 19 years old last year. Number 2, we were at the mall. Number 3, Josh's house was so clean. Number 4, the movie was amazing. Number 5, she was surprised. And lastly, number 6, they were pleased to see us. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time.